Hey there everyone, it's Joe and
Michael!
Where'd that come from? Hey! From bullionnow.com.au, selling you the best bullion bars and coins shipped to you worldwide from Melbourne. In Australia, you thought you'd heard the last of me.
Yeah, well, you know, you're that bad penny that keeps coming back, huh?
We are filming this on the Friday, my last day. If you don't know what I'm talking about, see the link above. But we're going to release this on the Saturday. Why might that be? Because this might be some really hot ticket item.
It looks like there's a lot there, but I'm not sure there is a lot there.
Is this? Would you say this is the complete stack?
It's all of it, yes.
That's all of it? Fantastic. So we're not going to reveal it just yet. We're going to talk about it. This is something that...
I actually don't know what we're doing now.
Okay, we're going to unbox it.
Okay.
This is something
Can I start?
Yes. This is something that we've had in before. And it's something that was a hot ticket item. It's something that we weren't sure we were going to get back in. But then we've gotten back in. And we're not going to say anything else until we actually reveal it. Right here. Dun, 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 dun. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, you are looking at the Queen's Beast Silver 1 kilo completer coin. And now no one's watching because they're already clicking on the link below to get theirs. Here's the deal.
If you're about an hour after this is released...
No chance.
Well, I wouldn't say no chance, but I'll be a little surprised.
Yeah. Limit of 1 per customer.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
It's a groovy box.
Not limit of 1 box per customer, limit of 1 coin per customer. Don't game the system and don't try and do one transaction and go through the whole process and then do another transaction, because we'll see the duplicate order for the same thing and we'll probably, you can confirm or deny, but we'll probably cancel the lower priced one.
I got to be honest, I'm not sure that you'd be quick enough, and this isn't a challenge.
That's a fair point, actually.
I'm not sure you'd be quick enough, because by the time you got the second order in...
That's true.
There's a fair chance they would have sold out.
Absolutely. So, yeah, no, that's true. The Kilo Completer, back in stock for maybe 30 minutes.
You might be shocked.
You never know.
They might last days.
Oh, yeah, sure. Absolutely. So the Kilo Completer, as you know, is the final coin in the Queen's Beasts series. It sort of topped it off. And this is the kilo version, and it's incredibly popular.
It's a beautiful coin.
Yeah, and also has an interesting fiat currency value as well.
£500?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not a bad... It's almost getting up there to its face value. Like, face value is almost getting up towards it.
It's unusual to have a £500 face value for a kilo coin. In
silver.
In silver, that is. Yeah, of course.
They are a beautiful coin, so you can see the designs. For those that don't know, the design around the outside is the image that they used for each of the individual coins going through.
Yeah.
And they didn't produce the coin in a individual 1 kilo. No. So this is the only one, the completer is the only one they did in the kilo.
That's right.
At this stage, assuming they don't change that. Mm-hmm. So you can see there's the dragon around it, the horse, the
lion,
Phoenix, the lion,
greyhound. Yep. And in the middle, Her Majesty, of course.
Yep. So you get 2 shots of Her Majesty.
Well, there you
which
go.
is probably appropriate for a Queen's Beast and a British coin.
Absolutely. So, and I really like the obverse as well.
Yeah.
The other side.
All the pimpling on it, and just the whole way they've done the design. It's fantastic.
Very nice. These sold out really quickly when we had them. I'm also going to suggest they're half gone by the time you're watching till now. So what's this been a few? This has been a few minutes.
Go to the website, buy it, and then come back and finish the rest.
I think everyone's done that already.
Yeah, but they're great. I love my 1 ounce coins. Don't get me wrong, but the kilo's just got that weight to it, that heft to it.
Yeah,
and it's just it allows, because it's that bigger plate. It allows the room for the design to blow up the design a bit. So you get better detail, all this sort of stuff. I don't know why I'm trying to sell it, because they're already sold out by the time you got to this point. Anyway,
they're gone. They're out of here.
They're a stunning coin, and kilo coins are really hard to get hold of these days. Having said that, the Tiger comes in a week or so. Mm-hmm. But they're beautiful.
We have quite a few, but a bunch of them, I understand, were already...
By the time you get to this point, they're gone.
They're done. But How many roughly will we have for sale on the website?
I'm guessing, don't quote me because I haven't seen the paperwork yet, but I'm guessing there'll be somewhere around about that 80 mark.
Okay, right, cool. Again, limit of 1 per customer, and we're just trying to spread the love, okay? So, yep, don't game the system. If we think you're trying to game the system or you are gaming the system, we may even cancel your original order.
Yeah, look, we're not trying to be mongrels about this. At the end of the day, it's actually better for us if one person takes the whole lot.
It is, yeah.
Rather than 100 people taking 100 coins, one each.
Yep.
But we do recognise that a lot of people want to get their sticky fingers on these, so we're trying our best. We can't break them in half. If we could, we would. So, yeah, it's 1 each.
Fair enough. All right, the kilo completed coin gone by the time you watch to the end of this video. I have absolutely no. I hope you paused and actually secured one. That is it. Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Head over to bullionnow.com.au. And, as always, possibly for one of the last times, that's it from me.
And from me too.
We'll see you soon.
See ya.